Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. In today's video, we are going to make red velvet and vanilla cupcakes. Ingredients for the cupcakes include 6 cups of all-purpose flour, 10 room temperature eggs, 3 cups of buttermilk, red gel food color, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, 1.5 cup of butter, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2.5 cups of white granulated sugar, half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 7 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's get started. Scoop the butter into a mixing bowl, add in the sugar, the oil, and then with the aid of a spatula, combine these 3 ingredients together vigorously until light and fluffy. When you get to this stage, I mean the stage where the sugar, oil, and butter double in size and look a bit lighter than before, crack the eggs into another bowl, whisk it with the aid of a fork or a whisk until it forms a foamy solution, and then pour it into the oil, butter, and sugar mixture gradually as you stir until everything is combined. Into another bowl with a sieve on top of it, pour in the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, the cornstarch, and then sift everything together. After that, use a spoon to combine everything in the bowl. Now add in the dry ingredients bit by bit as you stir it together with the wet ingredients. Pour in the buttermilk and then combine it with the cake batter you are making. Now divide the cake batter into 2. Add in the red gel food color and then the cocoa powder that is in another batch that you set aside. Then combine everything together until the batter is having a very nice red color to it. With the aid of the ice cream scooper, scoop the cake batter into the already paper-lined baking tray. Make sure that you fill the cupcake papers halfway so that when it's baking and it rises up, it does not overflow. Now place them into the oven for about 15 minutes. After it bakes, take it out of the oven, and this is the vanilla cake. This is also the red velvet cake. And this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new here. get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. Also, I would like to say Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to each and every one of you. May God see you through this year and also the year ahead. Try this recipe at home with your friends and family and let me know in the comment section how it was. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.